Malawi. Malawi is a country located in Southeast Africa. It was formerly known as Nyasaland and currently is officially the Republic of Malawi. The landlocked country houses a population of about 17 million and Lilongwe is its capital city. The region was inhabited by the migrating Bantu groups since the 10th century. Later, in 1891, the British arrived and set up and colonized it. Best time to visit Malawi? The best time to visit Malawi is between the months May to October.
Want to go on a trip? Friends are busy? Need a travel companion? Don't worry, now you can connect with travelers traveling to the same destination on Exceeders.com. All you need to do is join your city club and publish your trip plan with travel dates and place you are planning to visit. That's it. Verified tourists, travelers, and backpackers looking for travel partners to the same destination will contact you.
To get to Malawi, air. Malawi's largest international airport is in Lilongwe. However, there are also some flights from Blantyre to regional destinations. Train. There are trains twice a week from Blantyre to Kwamba and Nampula in northern Mozambique. Bus. To get into Malawi from Mozambique in the south, one can take the bus from Tete, northwest Mozambique, to Zobwe. After crossing, take another bus from the border to Blantyre. Boat. A ferry runs twice a week from Likoma Island to Kobe and Metangula in Mozambique. Malawi transportation. You can travel within the country by plane, bus, taxi, car and boat. Accommodation in Malawi. Accommodation is cheap in Malawi. You can get budget hotels at 18,000 to 36,000 Malawian kwacha. Mid-range hotels are available at 48,000 to 72,000 Malawian kwacha. Luxury accommodations are available between 180,000 to 350,000 Malawian kwacha. Must try signature dishes of Malawi. Amongst the local dishes you must try are chambo, usipa, pasa and sima. Best places to eat in Malawi: Don Brioni's Bistro, Umgoza Restaurant, 21 Grill on Hanover, Tasty Bites, Kaya Papaya, A1 Restaurant, Mandala Cafe, Dedza Pottery Restaurant, Hong Kong Restaurant, Sanctuary Restaurant, Boma or Hiccups Pub, Blue Elephant, Casamia, Bushanan's Grill, Red Zebra Cafe, and Food Court. Interesting facts about Malawi. Lake Malawi was once called the Lake of the Stars. It was the Portuguese who introduced maize to the region. The earliest human settlements in Malawi date back to 50,000 to 60,000 years ago. Malawi is the only country in the world that has a Carlsberg factory besides Denmark. The chambo fish, one of Malawi's favorite delicacies, is an endangered species. Top tourist sites in Malawi. Lake Chilwa. The lake is the second largest in Malawi after Lake Malawi. It is located in the eastern Zomba district and measures 60 kilometers long and 40 kilometers wide. The lake is supplied mainly by seasonal rains and hosts an island in the middle called Chisi Island. Lake Malawi National Park. The park is located at the southern end of Lake Malawi. The park was built to preserve the fish and the aquatic habitats of the region. Also, the park hosts many wildlife. There is a large baobab tree in the park which is probably about 800 years old. The park was named a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984. Mulanje Mountain Forest Reserve. The reserve was founded in 1927 in Malawi. The Mountain Forest Reserve is operated by the Mulanje Mountain Conservation Trust, and in the reserve you will find a wide variety of flora and fauna. Livonde National Park. The park is located 140 kilometers north of Limbre. The entrance to the park hosts many affordable lodges where you can stay overnight. The park hosts many wildlife like waterbuck, elephants, kudu, buffalo, crocodiles, hippopotamus, and many others. Nika National Park. It is Malawi's largest national park and covers an area of about 3,200 square kilometers. The park is spread over the entire Nika Plateau. The park hosts various wildlife, and its name Nika means where the water comes from. Chongoni Rock Art Area. Chongoni Rock Art Area covers over 127 sites in the Malawi Central Region. It has been named a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The park features many rock paintings that date back to the late Stone Age and the Iron Age. Lengwe National Park. The park is located near the town of Chikawa, 40 miles southwest of Blantyre. The park is filled with open deciduous forests and dense thickets. The park also hosts the reclusive Nyala antelope. Besides this, it also hosts various other wildlife. Chichiri Museum. The museum is also popularly called the Museum of Malawi. It is located in Blantyre and was established in 1957. However, the current museum was built in the year 1965. The museum details both the cultural and historical story of the region through its exhibits.